Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have an exciting unboxing today. This is the POCO F3 limited edition. I've not touched anything. I saved it for right now. So this is the beast. Come in this paper bag. Like so. Oh my god. Okay, let's have a look for the first time together. Oh my goodness. The real beast is here. Do you have the power to unleash it? Well, I certainly hope so. Let's have a look on the back. Anything on the back? No. Ooh. That looks like a, is that a clue? Is that a clue? 0? So let me quickly explain why it is a beast. It's the POCO F3, £349. You get 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of internal storage, and also powered by the Snapdragon 870, which is a brand new chip announced, I believe, in January. So it's faster than the Snapdragon 865, which was the flagship last year, but just under the Snapdragon 888. Right. Whoa. Only the smartest can tame this beast. Okay, this is quite exciting. Do we pick up from both ends or just one? Oh my god! Crack the code, unleash the beast. The answers are the answers are closer than you think. Very nice. So yeah, this is a proper padlock. And the only way in is to crack the code. I can't even rip the cardboard. I'm just not strong enough. Oh, here we go, look. Okay, so we need to crack the code. It's 4 digits. Now, upon taking the lids off and everything, I've noticed some numbers. So we have a number 3 there, and we have a 0 at the bottom, and that's it. So my logical thinking is I'm going to take it right back again. So there's nothing on there. Let's check that there. It says the answers are closer than you think. So the answers look to be in the claw. And the first one is number 5. So 5. Any more on there? No, just a 5. A 3. And a 0 at the bottom. 5. That's in a claw. Is anything hidden? So 5, 3, 0. 5, 3, 0. And there's one missing. This has got me stumped. Ooh, there's a 3 on there. So, I never just noticed that. There's a 3 on there. There's a 5 on there. So I'm going to, in order, 5, 3, 3, 0. Let's try 5, 3, 3, 0. Okay, now which? Is it from the top or the bottom? Let's have a look. 5, 3, 3, 0. I've got that locked in there. No. You'd expect it to be from the top, wouldn't you? Let's just do that anyway. 5, 3, 3, 0. No. The answers are closer than you think. Yeah, I know. 5, 3, 0. 5, 3, 0. 5, 3, 0. It might not even be in that order. Bloody hell. I've had to sit down. What on earth is it? 3, 0. Good old tug. It's not working. Come on, I can crack it. I can release the beast. Let's put all the claws in first. So 5. 3 on the side. 5, 3. 0. Yep, 0 is there. 5, 3, 0. 3. Nope. Yes. Yes. I am in. I am now in. 5, 3, 0, 3. Cracked. 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 Okay, so now we can get right into the nitty gritty and see what we've got in here. Crack the code, I've cracked it. Does that come out? Open up. Oh, there she is. There she is, the POCO F3. Let me lift that out. Oh yes, it's like a little coffin. That's where the POCO F3 has been living and trapped. The beast is unleashed. 5G connectivity. Look at that nice box. Lovely box. It's not going to be my normal unboxing today. Welcome to the POCO family. Thank you for choosing POCO. Nice. POCO. What do we get in here? SIM tray ejector tool, or a nice silicone case, and some manuals. So here we go. USB Type-C charging cable. Also a fast charging block, 33 watts of fast charging. Here she is. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. This is a glass back Gorilla Glass 5 front and back. And first impressions, it is light. It feels very much like the Redmi Note 10 Pro, maybe a little bit thinner than that. This lovely Gorilla Glass 5 back, lovely camera array there as well. Beautiful. Type-C port, loudspeaker, SIM tray. There's also another loudspeaker at the top, so it's dual speakers. Now this is an AMOLED display, 120 Hertz, all for £349. 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of internal storage, MIUI 12. Look at it. This is a beast. Here she is, guys, 120 Hertz, AMOLED display. Doesn't that look lovely? There is a pre-installed screen protector on there, which I will uninstall because I don't like them. It's got Gorilla Glass 5 anyway. Beautiful. Side-loaded fingerprint sensor there into the power switch, which is nice. Yeah, it's a nice phone, really, really nice. And look at this. That's the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Both have that dot display. The bezels are pretty much identical. Both got the side-loaded fingerprint sensor with the integrated into the power. Very similar. Look at the camera bumps as well, very sort of similar. Obviously you're getting better specs in this for only £350. Obviously this is sort of a mid-range sort of CPU near sort of the £250 mark. But yeah, this is the beast if you want a beast. The POCO F3 48 megapixel sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel macro as well. Looking nice. Ooh. In terms of video, you can shoot up to 4K 30 as well with stabilization on. See, look at that. Let's just do a quick selfie indoors. Ready. No, take beauty mode off. Don't like none of that beauty stuff. Go away. I'm beautiful enough as it is. Right. What's happening? Come on, I want to take a selfie. So that's the selfie straight off the POCO F3. That's looking nice. This is straight off the 48 megapixel sensor. Excuse the light. That's the 48 megapixel sensor, guys, on the POCO F3. Looking good. Okay, that will do for my unboxing, guys. A quick look at the POCO F3. I've unleashed the beast, and obviously I will come back with a review maybe in a week's time. Again, I'll be doing other videos as well, gaming tests, and anything you want to request or know about this bad boy beast, then let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Go and check out the links as well in the description. If you want to purchase one of these for £349, there will be links to the POCO website. And a special mention to the Mi 11 Ultra now, recording me here. 1080p, 60 frames per second. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.